Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about is the Peet's Coffee Cafe Domingo Medium Roast. This is really good coffee. I mean, if you're a coffee person and you use it to, say, wake up in the morning or, just to get your day started or whatever, this is a good one to try. I've been drinking coffee in the morning for a while now, and this is one of my favorite kinds. I mean, I use several different kinds. Cafe Domingo, the medium roast, is very smooth. I just love the smoothness of it. I don't use it to wake up, and I just really like the taste, the warm, smooth flavor that it gives me, getting up in the morning and getting ready. It just feels good. It just really feels relaxing to me. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. It's very smooth. I love the way it smells also. You open this pack and the smell of coffee I am a big lover of coffee flavoring, coffee everything. I mean, coffee ice cream is my favorite, but this brand is a very nice, smooth brand. I really like it a lot. How I make it is I use 2 tablespoons of this ground coffee. It's 2 tablespoons for each 6 ounce of water. Yeah, so that makes a really decent, cup for yourself. I mean, I don't know about you, but I like it sweet. So I put a cream in it and a little bit of sugar. Well, not a little bit. Well, maybe 2 cubes. Yeah, I like it sweet. I don't need it strong. I just want it to taste like nice tasting coffee. And this is a really good brand. I mean, I can say that because, a lot of times people say, coffee is coffee. Oh, I don't see the difference. It'll all taste the same if you put a certain amount of sugar or whatever. No, I've had bad coffee before. You can smell, like when you open the bag, you can smell that it's not gonna be good. Certain coffees are like that. You try it anyway and it's, oh no, this is not working. So yeah, I've been drinking this a long time. This is not like a real, I don't know how popular this one is. I got turned on to this by a cousin of mine that introduced it to me at a party once. I was resistant to actually using it because I was thinking that, oh, no, I want my regular brand. And it was one of the top brands out there right now, the ones that pretty much everybody drinks. He said, no, you got to try this one. It's really good. It's really good. And he even gave me this kind, the medium roast one. Yeah. I've been on it ever since I tried it, and I told him how I like it as far as the sweetness and the cream. So, he made it just like that, and it was delicious. Yeah. Sometimes I run out of this. So, I have a lot of other kinds of coffee that I drink, and it depends on my mood. But this is one of my all-time favorites. It tastes really good. Yeah. I've tried it black also. A couple times actually when I did need to kind of use it to wake up. Most of the time it's just for tasting really good. The flavor is nice. It has like a nutty flavoring to it, along with the actual coffee bean taste. It's just different, I've drank it for a while now. It's actually, sometimes I can't find it, in the stores that I shop in. It's really good, and it's just really smooth, guys. You gotta try it. I mean, it's mild and smooth. That's just the way coffee should be drinking. So it's really, really good. I've been drinking it for a while, and I'm happy with it. I hope they don't stop making it, because, like I said, I can't find this everywhere. You know, I'll be very upset if I don't get to drink any more of this. Yeah. Okay, we've been talking about the Peet's Coffee Cafe Domingo Medium Roast. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll talk to you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.